episode today. We've got to take the whole PTO clutch assembly, put it back in the back of the New Holland Tractor, fill that thing up with hydraulic fluid. What else we got to do to it? There's a 3-point fender switch we got to get back on it. So we got a whole busy day of just getting this piece of junk tractor back to somewhat of a working status. So we'll get out to the farm and I'll show you guys what a pickup truck bed looks like that's filled with over $5 grand of parts. Isn't farming fun? Oh my god, and it's so cheap too, right? Oh my goodness, we're all hobby farmers. So we'll see you guys at the shop. What the heck is all of this crap? I can't even get to the dadgum shop door. Good thing this shop was built on a quarter. Good gravy. Well, here's over $5,000 worth of parts. We've got 40 gallons of hydraulic fluid, 2 combine belts, 4 hydraulic filters, some gasket sealant, a 3-point switch, fender switch, and a brand new rebuilt, well, brand new to me, but rebuilt PTO clutch. Oh, and a battery too. Oh, and some gasoline. Yeah, boys, that right there, over $5 grand. Oh, farming's so much fun. Doesn't that look tons better in there?
Oh yeah. It's got something in there.
It's got something in there now. Yeah, that was a little gem too. Let me tell you, that cost a pretty penny. Thank God those were on sale.
Oh, they were? So you get a $3 a gallon?
60.
60.
Get all the metal shavings out of here. As much as I can get anyway.
At least there aren't any big pieces left in there.
Yeah, no big chunks.
That stuff doesn't hardly come up out of those cavities.
Yeah. That's probably about good enough.
Anything come out on that one?
Just a bunch of shavings, no big piece. Well, there's one more big piece right there. Man, who put these filters on? They did a good job.
They're rich.
Yeah. Make a mess.
You got it?
I got one. Let's see if I guessed right. Bigger. A little bit bigger than a...
That's 15 there.
Maybe a 16 or 17. I don't know on these metrics. I'm a standard guy. Let's try that one. Bigger. That's it. 17. Okay, I think that's good enough. I don't think that's going anywhere.
If you poke a hole in there, it'll pour a lot easier. on your garage sale and get enough money to
fix the hydraulic well.
I know it.
$60 a piece. With premium, genuine Harvest King buckets.
Used one time.
That's right. Slightly used. Better put some of this good stuff on here. Oh yeah, that looks good now. Of course, we're over here working and damn kids are on their cell phone back there.
Yeah, you better get up and get the big ones ready for a couple of them. See if we get it up there.
Back and forth.
Man, rollers are getting the swine flying out.
Where's that pry bar? That big white pry bar we put under here? Where they at over here? I just got the filters on. It's nice of you to show up.
On my project. It'll pick that hunk of metal up.
According to the internet, that should solve the 3-point problem.
Believe everything you read on the internet.
Oh yeah. It's documented.
You didn't ever have plug it.
It's light. Get that good light. Oh, she's dead. Beyond dead. I think you guys need new battery chargers.
Yeah. That's what I've said for 4 years.
Which sell some beans and go buy a new battery charger.
Don't have no beans. This thing can have to run all day to do you any good.
One of the fuses over here, man, it went zero, zero, zero.
So dead.
So this tractor is dead. We're charging it. We got to move this tractor so we can get this tractor out of the way. But before we can do that, we got to get Grandpa's golf cart out of the way because it's dead. If anybody would like to sponsor us for new batteries around here, comment below. Love to sponsor you. Nope.
Let it charge a minute, dumbass.
I think before harvest, I'm gonna have to put some labels on these. I don't want somebody getting too finger happy. AKA Larry. I just got her started, but now the PTO won't turn off. It's just stuck in on. For sale, 8770 New Holland Tractor.
That don't slow it down.
So while they're messing around with that, I've actually got a video of the fault codes, and now I'm going to look through this book and see what I can find while they're messing around with all that. Well, there's the problem right there. F410 is engine sensor failed. F334 is PTO solenoid. Looks like it's a solenoid.
I turn it on, I get 12, 13 all through them other three
Oh, you do?
terminals. Yeah.
So it's coming through the switch.
But then it goes to this
Switch goes into a computer. or
this
something.
computer thing.
Well, it ain't coming out of there then. So you gotta have 12 volts to activate this solenoid.
Well, at least there's no hydraulic fluid leaking. That's a plus.
What's that?
F334's PTO solenoid's open. 314 is the PTO solenoid is shortened. Those are all the codes right there.
Oh,
Yep.
well, this is the solenoid, but we don't have.
Well, we're back from lunch. We're gonna let that tractor sit for a while we Google and figure out what else to do with it. Old timers are moving crap out of the way so we can put their new metal rack over there. And then Blaine and I are gonna go check some fields, see if they're ready to start disking. I get this thing fixed up, and Blaine he just loves it. He's just been driving this thing all over the place. You like this service wagon? Bring back the memories. Let's go check some fields. What do you think? A little wet?
It's so sandy, man.
Yeah. Hey, it might disc up all right. There's the road right over there. We don't need roads, do we? We'll just drive right along the field. Yeah. Well, it was too wet to disc, so we're gonna go check on the old timers. Looked like they about had their metal rack unloaded. I would take this corner and go more towards.
One of those long ones out here.
Yeah, yeah. Now you're talking. Get me out of the way. I don't want to die. Trying to straighten that out. Oh, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. No, we're good.
Jump on my ass. There, is that better? Jump on it.
Well, that's gonna do it for today. We're thinking that maybe that PTO is just so new and tight on there, it's not, you know, letting loose a little bit. We've played around with it a little bit. Maybe we'll get this thing figured out. But we think we just need a little bit of wear and tear on it. It'll probably work just fine. It's a tight fit through here. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.